As part of the Hospital of the Future hackathon, our group, Tamu Health, decided to make the game MedPet. Our problem statement was that we wanted to help kids who had anxiety from hospital visits. Our solution was using the game MedPet that gives kids an active participation in their health journey by completing to-do list tasks assigned by their doctors. They can also have treats or costumes that they can get from completing those tasks. The users would be children that get anxiety from going to hospitals. The value has two factors, one where the user would get positive reinforcement from completing tasks and incur a doctor-patient relationship that's better, and the pet would be customizable to allow for a bond between the user and the game.
MedPet is focused on reducing a child's anxiety during their hospital stay by gamifying their care experience to creating and customizing their own dog avatar. When dealing with high anxiety events such as getting a shot, the game will provide rewards in form of game credits in order to ease and distract the child from the high stressful environment. These credits can be used to unlock new features. During their hospitalization stay, the child will have to interact with several different healthcare practitioners, which can be very hard. The child can interact with the dog avatars of their assigned medical practitioners to ease anxiety. It can be very stressful when the child has to transfer to a new ward. Using MedPet, the child will be able to interact with new features in their new ward, thus making their experience much less stressful. Practitioners will be able to assign tasks to the patient. The app will provide educational information about the treatment. This will make it a learning experience for the child, along with a way for them to track their progress. We built the backend using Google Firebase backend, which provided hooks for authentication, a real-time database for storing data, as well as a cloud storage. We built the game using Unity, where we built just different scenes for the game, and we wrote scripts in C++ that communicated with the Google Firebase backend. Finally, we also scraped the Texas Children's Hospital API to collect information about the different providers and store it in our backend database.
For future direction, we would like to follow this storyboard. We would have a login page that allows them to create a new account and log in. They would have the medical tasks in a checklist format along with parental approval so that they have actually completed the tasks. They would get points after completing those tasks and would be directed to selecting their dog. They would customize their pet using a name, choosing a dog, or maybe selecting an option for customization. They would then be able to interact with their pet with either a treat, a toy, a brush, or doing some kind of medical checkup.
Alright, let's log in. Alright, we seem to be in. And go into the game. Yay, we're in the hospital. Let's go see what we got to the test today. Oh, quite a few tests. Well, I did take medication. I did go take injection. Let's go have some fun. Lay on the bed. Or, well, let's get up. Let's do something like, bouncing on the couch. Bounce, bounce, bounce. There we go. We can go check out all the tests later and see if we need to do anything else. Yep.
Thank you.